What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Champ Vlogs, and welcome back to another video. I am so excited. Today's a cool day. I bought a new mod. I already bought it. It's already been shipped. It's at my parents' house. We're gonna go pick it up today. I'm so excited. You guys don't even know. It's not that big of a mod, but it is a big mod. So let the vlog begin. Tell me why I was trying to be cool and do that little thing right there, but I ended up leaving my phone in the house. Yes, sir. We in there, baby. So one thing I wanted to say real quick, I know the content for my channel is kind of boring. I apologize for that. I've been really sitting back and really thinking and watching my videos again to see what I could do to improvise and make it a lot better. And I noticed that I'm really just like boring and shy. So I'm gonna try to be more open and really be myself when I make these videos going forward. Also with this year, I'm gonna be working on upgrading my channel, doing things a lot better, getting more camera angles. I'm supposed to be getting a GoPro pretty soon. That way we can get some outside videos of me driving. In the near future, we'll be doing some cool activities that I'm not gonna say that I'm probably gonna need another camera for, so that would be something cool too. Sheesh. We are changing this, by the way. This is getting switched to the newer one for the E46. I think they made the more circular one for when they did the facelift for like the later years. I think it's like 2003 going up, I think. But I'm getting a new one, and then we got the sponsors NXT that you guys seen from the previous videos before. We're gonna be wrapping it carbon fiber. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait for it. God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here it is. If you guys are blind or you're living underneath a rock. Oh my goodness, it's so big. Oh man, boys, we are finally here. Let's check this out. Yes, sir. We're in there. I'm so excited. This looks amazing. It looks way bigger than my car. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It does, but we're about to go check it out there and go look at it real quick. But just wanted to make sure that, you know, we got everything so you can see everything. Boys, 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 boys. It looks so good. Look at that. Sheesh. I can't wait to put it on. We're gonna take it outside real quick because I literally took it outside and I left my camera. I left my camera here, so we're going outside. Let's do it. Oh, and my sister says hi. Yeah. Y'all don't know how pressed I am. Oh my God, my camera's about to die. Hurry up. And just like that, it's gonna look so good, boys. Y'all don't even know how excited I am to put this on. When I tell you this is gonna be one of the coolest things I ever do, I'm capping. The headlights are really cool, but this is even cooler. I'm so excited. I'm freaking out. I love it. I'm probably gonna be putting this on over the next week. It's cold right now. It's like 40 degrees as I'm standing outside. Next week it's gonna be in the 60s. Springtime's coming up. I'm trying to get everything done beforehand, but it wasn't happening. All right, so this is all wrapped up. So I'm gonna take this back to the house and we'll talk some more about it because there's a couple little more pieces I gotta show you guys, and then we'll go from there. God, what are we watching? That's wild. Alright guys, we are back at my house. I'm actually gonna go to bed. It's been a long day. I looked into this some more and did some more research on how to install this and get everything together and get prepped for that. So literally the next video we do is going to be that. Also, I just wanted to say, so with this bumper, I'll be putting a link down in the description below for you guys, and I'll put some pictures up here for you to see as well. What was really cool about this kit is my car is Euro, for those who don't know anything about that, and it gave me Euro nameplate frames that I could install with the bumper. So if I had Euro tags and I wanted to put some on the car, I could do that. It's so cool. So kind of debating if I want to get a custom one made. I know for a fact I'm not going to have my actual license plate on that. I'm probably going to put it in the window because it just looks so good without the license plate, just straight seamless. Probably going to do that. But I'm debating on the Euro. What do you guys think? Tell me down in the comment section below. But it came with that. It came with light holders because the cars have fog lights, and it also came with brackets, which either go to the car or they're for the light brackets. I'm not entirely sure. I'll look more into that in the actual video that we do next. And thank you guys again for just anybody who watches my videos. I really do appreciate you, and I don't say that enough, but you guys are really awesome, and the builds are really coming together. I'm so excited. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and we out.